Good morning! It's 9:30 a.m. here in Barrie, Ontario. Snow or anong pangalan ulit? It's like Snow Valley Resort. Dito kami sa may snow tubing, Barrie, Ontario. Full of activities. Then, Joy! Okay, get up! She's coming! Sabay-sabay kayong lahat. Ay, andyan na sila! Andyan na! Ay, iba! Oh, ang taas ninyo! Masakit yung likod ko! I want to be alone! I want to be alone! So, hindi ko nakunan ang pagbagsak namin or pagbaba namin dahil natatakot akong hindi humawak sa tube.
Pero yung first drop,
Oo, yun ang kwan.
parang kang nag-water slide.
Oh, I love water slide. Malapit sa inyo sa Sarnia.
Yeah.
Meron doon. Gusto ko rin yun.
Ano yun? Ang tawag doon?
Water. Ginawa na namin 4 hours.
Wet and wild.
Wet and wild. Na-try mo na?
Wala pa. Sila ate ko.
Ay, ang ganda. Tapos after that, may free meal.
Yeah.
Ay, tahan yun. The sun is coming out. Ang ganda ng panahon. Ayan, hihilain mo lang yan. Susunod na sa'yo. So, yan yung machine na hihila sa amin pataas or paakyat. So, this is the second round. Napagod ako paghila ng aking tube gulong. Pero yung pagbaba, nakakatakot pag first time. Dalawa kami kanina ng aking kaibigan, but this time, I'll do it by myself. Kaya samahan nyo ako. Kaya lang hindi ko mahawakan ang cellphone dahil mabilis ang paghulog or pagbaba. Oh, dalawa kayo ngayon?
Ayaw niya mag-alone.
Ayaw mong mag-alone? You think I can hold my phone? No.
So just hold on to it really tight.
Okay. I'll try my best. Baka sakali makuha ko rin ang mukha ko. Pero nakakatakot pa rin. Hindi ko alam kung kaya kong one hand lang ang paghawak ko ngayon. Napagod ako nun mag-isa akong tumalon. So ayan, magvo-voice over na ako dahil malakas na ang music. It's 10 a.m. So ang mangyayari dito, I think 4 kami nasasakay or maghawakan kami. Tig-isa kaming tube, kaya lang we're going to hold each other's tube or yung salbabida para maayos ang pagbagsak namin. Sabi nila mas maganda ito, so we will try. Oh, my feet will be there?
I'll push you in, don't worry. You're not going down. Good, I got you.
Okay, you got me?
Of course. Oh
You
my
got
god.
me. Oh, wait, I have
One.
Whoa! Thank you so much kay Miss Fanny dahil siya ang kumuha ng aming video. Gusto niya kasi mag-solo yung isa naming kasama. So, kami namang 4 gusto namin yung sama-sama as always. 4 kami parating magkakasama pag pumupunta kami sa mga ganitong events. So, So this is the 5th time. Nakakapagod din. Masakit na ang aking puwet.
That was so fun! Oh,
Dapat nakaready yung kamay ko agad kasi nakakahiya.
nakakahiya.
Nakakahiya! Eh, nakakapagod pero okay lang. Okay, we're coming, no worries. Parang gusto ko lang alisin ang aking jacket pero baka magkasakit ako. Funny, why you want to be alone always? Hindi niya kaya pero sabi ko try.
Nakakatakot na yung marami.
Hindi, maganda yung apat.
Oh, di ba naka-out ka rin nun?
Oh. Sige, apat tayo. Nasaan na si Madam Del? Okay, we're going for a break. We need water to drink. And thank you so much sa idea na mag-tubing. It's my first time.
You guys are the best! Hindi kaya kita bayaran.
Can you say it again? Can you say it again?
You guys are the best titas in the whole world. Hindi ka lang kita bayaran. Let's see, walang libre ngayon.
Walang libre. Ay. Break time, break time.
2,000 years later.
Okay, ito na yung pinakamakulit na kaibigan. Ayan. Siya si Madam Delde na taga Surigao. Ito naman si Madam na taga Mindanao. At of course, ako naman na taga La Union. Hindi ko na ipapakita. Ito naman yung photographer namin na ayaw makisama. I mean, hindi makisama. Gusto niyang mapag-isa. So yan, dire-diretso ang pag-akyat namin. Hinihila kami yan ng... Basta machine ang humihila sa amin or nagdadala sa amin sa taas. This is like pang-anim na namin. Pagod na yung puwet ko pero sige pa rin, ang sarap sumigaw. So see you sa pagbaba namin. Baka sakali makuha ko na.
Ready!
Oh, bye! Yung first drop, yun ang masarap sumigaw. Talagang nakakatakot. Pero pag nasa gitna ka na, halimbawa dyan, okay na. Ang takbo namin ay 35 to 40 km per hour. By two sila. Ako naman mamaya mag-isa
Ready!
Oh my gosh! This is fun actually. Now I'm going to be myself again. All by myself. Okay, thank you. Ayun, done.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, bye!
Okay, so if you'd like, since she's holding on to yours, you can let go. And if you want to hold that up, you might get a better
Thank you
video.
so much.
Ready na!
See, we're magandang apat sa totoo lang. 4 is fun. There.
Okay. You guys ready?
Ready? Ay, mali, Julie. Ikaw makikita dyan. What the? I don't like it. Mas maganda talaga ang apat.
Sakay ka, Julie. Hoy, Julie, sakay. Okay.
Bye-bye. See you again next time. So it's time to go home. Thank you again for watching and please don't forget to subscribe KLL Kins. Bye-bye.